Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 26th, 2024, and these are some of the pansies seedlings here that we started these in trays. Now when we use different flats, we don't go fancy with stuff. We actually do a lot of recycling. So this was a food tray, and when we were done with it, we drilled holes in the bottom of it, put our seed starting mix in it, and we started our pansy seedlings off here. So some of these were done in the 72 cell trays, and what happened with these here, some of the seeds had gotten smashed in the mail. They had them in an envelope, and sometimes, even though they have like the bubbles in the envelope, your seeds can get smashed when they go through the mail. So that's what had happened with these. And we sewed them in these trays here, so we made sure we had enough between the damaged ones and the good seeds. So we're going to be transplanting these into various different size, smaller containers here. Okay, so these are ready to come out here, and we're going to separate these out. There we go. You can see the roots that they have on them there. Yeah. And you can see here. So this is filled with pre-moistened potting mix. And I do use Miracle Grow all-purpose potting mix. Now this here has some of the Beyond Peat Professional and Organics potting mix mixed in with it. And because of where my potting mix was stored at, it did dry out, so it was pre-moistened. Yep, you just take that little one off right there. Yep, you're good.
Take the root system.
Yeah. So this is going to allow these to grow nicer and fuller. They're not going to be competing in this tray for their nutrients, and it's a whole lot easier to separate these when they're smaller. So you can see the root systems on this. Go. How you doing there?
We might need to figure this one out.
You need some help here?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me show you here. So this one here has longer roots. So we had to dig some of the soil out to make sure that we got it down deep enough. Here, put some of that back in there. There we go. And
I have some extra soil over here. I put this.
oh, okay. Yeah, we'll need that extra soil there. Yep, and then we'll just put that in around. Yep, you want to sturdy your plant up there. And there you go. You got it there.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. So I'm going to help transplant these, and that's a little guy.
Yeah,
and there's a little
teeny
teeny one coming up beside it, yeah. So I'm going to help transplant these, and we'll be back then. Okay, we have this one here is done, and we're going to gently water it here. Okay, so we're gently getting these here watered here to get rid of any air pockets. And I will have links down in the description for the little garden tools that we're using to help make the holes and separate these out with. And I will have links down in the description for the tags that I use, because these are all going to get tagged then, so we know what varieties are which. And we use the daisy trays to put these in. We find that we get more in the daisy trays. If you ever hear somebody say or talk about a daisy tray, this is what daisy trays are. They're open trays, and you can make flats out of them to start your seeds in. You just need to use some landscaper's fabric in them, like this right here. So this was a daisy tray here that says onion seedlings in it. We have our landscaper's fabric in it, filled it with our seed starting mix, and we planted our onion seeds in it, and they came up. So that's another way that you can recycle trays and use these for planting, as well as for holding your seedlings in. So our Lowe's where we're at, they have a recycling program, and I don't know if all of them have it, but the one where we're at does. And you can go in there and you can get the trays for free, and sometimes they'll have like different planters in there for free. You have to ask somebody where exactly that's at your store, or if they even have it. So that's where like some of our cell packs and different things came from. But somebody in there, an associate in there, should be able to tell you if they have that and where it would be at. So you can see these are the empty food trays here, and we have the holes drilled in them, and I've been using these for years now. I just keep recycling them, and we get them cleaned up. So I will be planting in these more this season. Okay, so the pansies are all transplanted here, and it was about 171 plants in total that we transplanted. So it's starting to thunder outside. We're supposed to be getting some really bad weather, so I wanted to try and get these done as quick as we could here. And the fan is on and it's running right now. We're getting it set up on a timer here. So I do have videos on my channel for how to start pansies from seed. You can check that out on there. I'll put a link down in the description for one of my videos, and I give tips on how to get your seeds to germinate faster. And we did see a few white flies on the pansy, so we stuck one of the sticky traps here. The fan just turned off. And I'll have links down in the description for the sticky traps that we use. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That's as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!